Stop settling for average. Elevate your BIM skills with these 6 expert tips. In today's rapidly evolving construction industry, settling for mediocrity can limit your potential and career growth. Building information modeling, BIM, and virtual design and construction, VDC, are transforming how projects are designed, built, and managed. For young professionals, it's crucial to not just keep up but to excel. Here are 6 expert tips to elevate your BIM skills and stand out in the competitive field of construction. Embrace proactive learning as the foundation. The cornerstone of professional growth in BIM and VDC is a commitment to continuous learning. In an industry driven by technology and innovation, proactive learning ensures you stay ahead of the curve. Pursue certifications and courses. Investing time and resources into obtaining certifications can significantly boost your credentials. Whether it's a Revit certification or a course in advanced BIM techniques, these qualifications demonstrate your dedication to mastering the field. Stay updated with industry trends. Subscribing to industry journals, attending webinars, and participating in workshops helps you stay informed about the latest trends and technologies. This knowledge not only enhances your skills but also makes you a valuable asset to your organization. Curiosity over complaining, the virtue of asking questions. Inquisitiveness is a vital trait for any professional striving for excellence. Rather than seeing challenges as roadblocks, approach them as opportunities to learn and grow. Never hesitate to ask. Whether you're dealing with a complex model or trying to understand a new software feature, asking questions can provide clarity and prevent mistakes. Engage with peers, mentors, and online forums to seek answers and solutions. Learn from mistakes. Instead of getting frustrated by errors, analyze them to understand what went wrong. This reflective practice not only helps in avoiding future mistakes but also deepens your understanding of the subject matter. Humility in the journey towards mastery. Humility is a powerful trait that enables continuous growth. Recognizing that there's always more to learn keeps you open to new ideas and approaches. Accept constructive criticism. Feedback, especially from experienced colleagues, is invaluable. Embrace constructive criticism as it provides insights into areas for improvement, helping you refine your skills and enhance your performance. Acknowledge your limits. Understanding and acknowledging your limitations is the first step towards overcoming them. It allows you to seek help when needed and continuously strive to expand your knowledge and abilities. The unyielding quest for excellence. Striving for excellence means never settling for good enough. It's about pushing the boundaries and seeking to improve constantly. Set high standards, set ambitious goals, and strive to exceed them. This mindset drives you to produce high-quality work which not only benefits your career but also enhances the projects you work on. Embrace innovation. Be open to new technologies and methodologies. Experiment with different tools and techniques to find more efficient and effective ways of working. Innovation is key to staying relevant in the dynamic world of BIM. Cultivate professional relationships for long-term success. Building a network of professional relationships is crucial for career growth. These connections can provide support, opportunities, and valuable insights. Networking opportunities. Attend industry conferences, join professional associations, and participate in networking events. These platforms provide opportunities to meet and connect with other professionals, leading to potential collaborations and career advancements. Mentorship. Seek mentors who can provide guidance, share their experiences, and offer advice. A mentor's wisdom can significantly accelerate your learning curve and help you navigate your career path more effectively. Engage in meaningful conversations with industry veterans. Conversations with industry veterans can transform your perspective from being a mere detailer to a builder, enriching your understanding and skills. Learn from their experiences. Industry veterans have a wealth of knowledge and experience. Engaging in conversations with them can provide insights into real-world applications and practical tips that you might not find in textbooks or courses. Broaden your perspective. Veterans can offer a broader perspective on the industry, helping you understand the bigger picture. This understanding can make you a more versatile and valuable BIM professional, capable of contributing more effectively to projects. FAQs. What are the best resources for BIM certification? There are several reputable institutions offering BIM certification, including Autodesk, the Building Smart Alliance, and various universities and online platforms like Skillshare, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning. How can I stay updated with the latest BIM trends? subscribe to industry journals, follow influential professionals on LinkedIn, attend webinars, and participate in industry conferences to stay updated. Why is humility important in professional growth? Humility keeps you open to learning and accepting feedback, which is crucial for continuous improvement and mastery in any field. How can I effectively network in the construction industry? Attend industry events, join professional associations, participate in online forums, and actively engage on professional social media platforms like LinkedIn. What should I do if I encounter a problem I can't solve? Don't hesitate to ask for help. Seek guidance from peers, mentors, or online communities. Learning to ask questions and seek help is a critical skill. How can conversations with industry veterans benefit my career? These conversations provide practical insights and broaden your understanding of the industry, helping you transition from a detailer to a builder, thus enhancing your value as a BIM professional. Elevating your BIM skills requires dedication, a proactive approach to learning, and a commitment to excellence. By embracing these expert tips, you can distinguish yourself in the construction industry and achieve long-term success. Remember, the journey towards mastery is ongoing. Keep learning, stay curious, and continually strive to improve.